Hello techies, welcome back to the channel into Data Architecture. In this video, I will be telling you about the installation of Anaconda Navigator and how to install in Windows. I will be also telling you about the environments, uh, like how to create the environments and how to create a project-specific environment in your systems. Okay, so you can check out with any web browser which you are having in your system. Okay, let's search for the Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. So make sure that you are connected with a good internet because this is a big software and it will take some time. Okay, so let's go to www.anaconda.com. This is the user interface. That means this is the front end of the Anaconda Navigator window. Uh, this project is okay, not about this project, about this software. So basically it is meant for the data science toolkit. That means you will be able to find all the packages related to your machine learning or related to deep learning or any statistical projects you can perform with uh, this software. So this can allow you to work with Python. You can also work with R also, and there are different medium also, right? So it is open source. That means anyone can download and anyone can perform operations using Anaconda Navigator by working on Jupyter Notebook. You can also install packages using Conda, which is the by default command, or you can also pip, that is Python installation package, uh, in your system. Even you can also manage the environments. So environment I will tell you later. Okay, let's proceed for the installation part. Just have to go and click on the download. So if you're using Windows, if you're using Mac OS, or if you're working on the Linux systems, you can choose respectively. So you can also check for the bits also, that if whether your system is a 32-bit graphical installer or if it is a 64-bit. So I'm having the 64-bit system, so I'll go for the 64-bit one. See, the download date is starting and you have to wait little. You must be having a good internet for that. So let it download. And you can also check out this video also if you want to understand in deep about this Anaconda Navigator software. But I'll be telling you each one of the features of the software. Okay. Even you can also create an account in your Anaconda Navigator. So you can create your account and you will get all the updates, that whether you need to install or upgrade your Anaconda with the latest version or not. Okay, so it will take some time, so you have to wait a bit. So it's almost 341 MB and keep going. You also have to maintain your directory in your C file, or if there is any other directory where you want to install the software. Okay, so it's almost done. Okay, so you can easily find it in your download folder. So okay, so here the installation process gets completed. So go to agree. So you have to agree this all this by default. You can also go through it, but you don't need to waste time on this. Okay, so for all users or just for you. So because if you are if there are more than one user in system, then you can go for all users. But if there is only one user, that is only you by default, you can go for just me recommended. Okay, so now where you want to install this, so it requires 2.7 GB of space. So let's say I want to install in my user only, because I'm the only user of my system, NLI. So let's go ahead. Okay, so now this is important here, that it recommends you to, so you want to register Anaconda 3 as my Python default 3.8, but I'm already having Python installed in my system, so I won't go for this one. But let's say just for the understanding purpose, let's go for this. Okay, so it says a version of Python 3.0 is already at my system, so already 3.8 version is already installed, so that's why it is not recommending me. Okay, but you can go for this option, add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. That means you can easily access all the Anaconda files to your command line also. Okay, let's go for the installation process. So it is extracting out all the files. Now here it will take some time, so you have to wait a bit. So here you can see the process is completed. Need to click on next. Okay. So working with Python and Jupyter is a beast with PyCharm Pro and to use with Anaconda. Download now. Progress. Okay. So Anaconda implementation tutorial. So I don't want this. So it's finished. Let's go and access this. Here you can see under A dictionary. That's it. As you can see, so it is starting. This is how it looks, and these are all the services which Anaconda Navigator provides to us. Uh, CMD.exe prompt, data load, IPM Watson. So these were not earlier, so they have just kept it as a service of this. Lab, Jupyter Notebook, which we are going to use for the most of the time. Publish from QD console, Spider, PS Code, there is PyCharm for the development purpose. Let's go and launch Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, then you have to make sure that you are connected to the data again. So it is going to host a Jupyter Notebook directly on your Google Chrome. So it will ask here, let's say. So here you can see, let's create a Python notebook here. So this is how it looks like. Let's run a basic command. So this is all about the installation of the Anaconda Navigator, and this is how we are going to work on the Jupyter notebook.